is Shanae.
My name is Rio.
And we're both from London. So we both come from London to Turkey for some dental work done. Sadly, I didn't have a good experience in London in terms of the process and things that I needed to do. So after doing a lot of research, we found a really good clinic here in Antalya, Turkey. And they have been amazing. The process from start to finish has been step by step, really good communication.
Hospitality.
Amazing communicating here and back from the hotel has been really good.
Transfers, picking us up.
Yes.
On time.
Yes.
Just the space as well, how big the clinics are, the rooms, how nice it is.
Yeah. And the great thing as well is that my partner didn't have any work scheduled.
These are my natural teeth. I didn't get anything done cosmetically.
Yes.
Neither did you cosmetically.
I know, just some dental groundwork.
And the clean that you just done as well.
Yeah, so I had a teeth whitening and I also had 2 crowns. Replacement crown that was done in London but had worn down, so that was changed. And also a root canal that sadly London couldn't do for me, but they done here, which was amazing. So my partner was able to squeeze in work as well, so they're very accommodating to change if you want to get an appointment as well.
And because you saying squeeze and work, and I said I haven't done it, so you've got to be more clear. All I got done was they sealed my caps, which is something that I had to use probably all the time before.
Previous edition.
Yeah, so now I can keep this in all the time, smile all the time, without it falling out while I'm eating and stuff. So that was a nice touch, so I'm grateful for that.
Yeah, but it has been a seamless journey.
Yeah.
I'm quite sad that it's ending so soon. I kind of want it to prolong a little bit and enjoy the space. But I'm sure we'll be in touch, and it's been amazing. So I would recommend Antalya Clinic to anybody, whoever's thinking about it. Make the choice, do it, you won't regret it. Thanks, guys.
Okay, see you later.